In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store pickup option in your Wix store, which is a fantastic way to provide more flexibility for your customers and enhance their shopping experience. The ability to pick up in-store not only reduces shipping costs, but also increases foot traffic to your physical location. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to get this feature up and running smoothly. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Once you're in, you'll notice several options on the left-hand side of the screen. What you're looking for next is the Store Products tab. This is your gateway to making modifications to your store's various settings. Click on Store Products and then find the Shipping and Delivery option. This section is critically important as it governs how your products are delivered. In the Shipping and Delivery section, you should see different options and settings related to how you handle delivering products to your customers. Look out for the Add Custom Delivery option, or something similar. This is the point at which you can integrate that highly desired store pickup setting. Once you click on it, a new window will open up allowing you to customize these options to fit your store's needs. As you fill out the new option form, you'll notice fields for name, description, and location details. Here, you'll want to input store pickup in the name field to make it clear to your customers what this option is. In the description field, provide some context, like pick up your order directly at our store location, or any special instructions your customers might need to know. It's a good idea to be as informative as possible here, so think about what your customers would find helpful. The next step is entering your store's location. Double check the address to ensure accuracy. This is crucial as you don't want customers showing up at the wrong location. You might also need to set specific hours when customers can pick up their orders, so if that's relevant, make sure it's clearly stated. At this point, all that's left to do is hit the save button, which finalizes your new setup. After saving, it's a wise move to preview your store as a customer. Go through the order process to ensure the pickup option appears and operates as intended. This test run will give you peace of mind and allow you to catch any potential issues before your customers do. Congratulations! With that, you've successfully added a store pickup option to your Wix store. This small but significant addition can go a long way toward improving your customer service and enhancing overall satisfaction. Thank you for following along and enjoy watching your store thrive.